Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Now, if you remember, in the previous lesson, we learned 5 different ways of saying I don't understand in French. In this lesson, we're going to learn the opposite. We're going to learn how to check that someone is understanding you when you're speaking to them in French. Now remember, as always, the transcript for this lesson is available in the description. So if you want it, just click on the link to download it. That way you won't have to take notes and you can just listen and even repeat after me so you practice your French pronunciation. So one of the ways to check if someone is understanding what you're saying is to use the verb comprendre in the present tense with rising intonation. Remember, you need to use tu if you're asking someone you know very well, or vous if you're asking someone you don't know well, or if you're asking several people if they're understanding. So for example, you could say tu comprends? Tu comprends? Vous comprenez? Vous comprenez? Do you understand? Or tu me comprends? Tu me comprends? Vous me comprenez? Vous me comprenez? Do you understand me? Or you can use inversion as well, which sounds a little bit more sophisticated. Me comprenez-vous? Me comprenez-vous? Me comprends-tu? Me comprends-tu? Do you understand me? Comprends-tu ce que je dis? Comprends-tu ce que je dis? Comprenez-vous ce que je dis? Comprenez-vous ce que je dis? Do you understand what I'm saying? So repeat after me. Me comprends-tu? Me comprends-tu? Me comprenez-vous? Me comprenez-vous? Comprends-tu ce que je dis? Comprends-tu ce que je dis? Comprenez-vous ce que je dis? Comprenez-vous ce que je dis? An alternative to using comprendre to check someone is understanding what you're saying or just keeping track with what you're saying is to use the verb suivre instead. Suivre means to follow. So if you want to check that someone is still with you, then ask vous me suivez? Vous me suivez? You can drop the E of me if you want to sound more French. But in an exam, it's probably best if you say it. Vous me suivez? Vous me suivez? Tu me suis? Tu me suis? These literally translate to, are you following me? So basically, it means, are you still with me? Do you understand me? Repeat. Tu me suis? Vous me suivez? Vous me suivez? If you want to check whether you're making yourself clear or not, you can use se faire comprendre, which means to make oneself clear. So for example, you could say, je ne sais pas si je me fais bien comprendre. Je ne sais pas si je me fais bien comprendre. I don't know whether I'm making myself clear. Or you could say, je ne sais pas si je me suis bien fait comprendre. Je ne sais pas si je me suis bien fait comprendre. I don't know whether I made myself clear. After using one of these sentences, the person you're talking to is likely to either confirm that you were perfectly clear or to ask for clarification about something you said. So repeat after me. Je ne sais pas si je me suis bien fait comprendre. Je ne sais pas si je me suis bien fait comprendre. I don't know whether I made myself clear. This is the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, you can get the PDF transcript of this lesson by clicking on the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!